What's up guys, it's your boy Fisher Azzy TV back with another vlog. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog I'm making for you guys. Before we start the vlog, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos, many more vlogs on the way. Like I said guys, today I am going to Torquay beach. I haven't been there in a long time, so I hope you'll enjoy this little vlog I'm making. I'm trying to do some drone shots for you. I also bought my Osmo 360 with me as well today guys, so I hope I'm gonna try and do something different if I could guys, so let me try to record a few shots of there with the Osmo 360 and edit around, see how it looks guys. So yeah, on the way to Torquay beach now. Our first service station is an hour and a half guys, so I will try and as I mentioned in the previous clip, I will try and do some drone shots for you, also use the Osmo 360, so hope you'll enjoy this. So make sure you do like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos, many more vlogs on the way like I said guys. On the service station right now, we are currently with JKT. As you can see, hold on, let me show you a proper clip of it. Yeah, we're currently with JKT today. It's currently half term, we're nearly towards Torquay beach. Say hello, Dad.
Hi, how are you?
How's the weather so far? How is it looking so far over here?
Oh, very nice. It's beautiful area.
Do you want me to do a drone shot for you?
Oh, yes.
I'll do one drone shot as well. Pakistan pencil. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yay! My dad gave me a kiss. I'm 32 years old and that's the first time he gave me a kiss, guys. So I'm gonna take it to the beach. I'm gonna do a drone shot for you as I promised guys. We just had I had a small reel right now. So yeah, let's take it towards the beach. I'm gonna give you a drone shot for you as well guys. So let's go inside the beach right now guys.
Good lad, all I knew was shanks, big hammers in my book bag. Look at pain in my chest, it turned a hood mad. Hood rap run, I never had it, bro, I took that. You think like done, it weren't even that. What your friends tell you, it weren't even that. Man, what beef, then I'll season that. I go circle the block, I bought teeth in wax. Everything I do, I put my all in. Make sure you're balling, them man are stalling. Brown skin, tacky, better accents, northern. Out here, sappy, tryna lift him out his Jordans. All these mazzles on the mains, bubbly, swagger with my aim. I was like trapping in the rain, inside bagging up.
जिसे जिंदगी ढूंढ रही है, क्या ये वो मकाम मेरा है, यहाँ चैन से बस रुक जाऊं, क्यों दिल ये मुझे कहता है, जज्बात नए से मिले हैं, जाने क्या असर ये हुआ है, एक आस मिली फिर मुझको जो कबूल
say guys, the water is really blue compared to every other seaside I've gone to or beach I've gone to. Devon, Torquay, water is really blue. I hope it stays like this even in the future guys. Okay guys, I must say the scenery over it is actually beautiful guys. Let me just flip the camera and show you proper scenery of the water guys. So here it goes guys. Honestly guys, I don't know if I had the chance to move to Devon, I actually would guys. It's so beautiful, nice seaside area, no stress and everything. It's actually a beautiful spot to live in guys. As you see in my vlog, everything is all blue, mashallah, everything is beautiful. So yeah man, let's carry on with the vlog. I do want to take another drone shot when we're by the beach guys. Okay guys, currently by the beach right now. I will give you a drone shot and also take you towards the water as well guys. So hope you're all enjoying this vlog. Let me take you towards the water and also give you a drone shot after this clip guys. So yeah, let's carry on.
Hey, you drill man.
Okay guys, currently the weather is beautiful. What time is it now? What time is it? 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock right now and the weather is actually beautiful guys.
Hey, you drill man.
Okay guys, as you see behind, the beach is actually beautiful right now. I'm currently recording on an Osmo 360 right now. Something different I'm trying on my vlogs guys, so I hope you're all enjoying this vlog. I'm trying different things, experimenting guys, so yeah. I hope you all enjoy the vlog I'm making for you guys. I want to see how it all looks together guys when I upload the vlog, so tell me in the comments down below what you all think of this vlog I'm uploading for you guys, of all the new design I've done and all the new thumbnail I've done guys. I'm trying to experience different things, inshallah everything comes perfect guys, so the weather is actually really beautiful. I know I keep mentioning, but the weather is actually beautiful. I don't know what more to say, guys, but yeah, I'm just admiring the sea and everything. Alhamdulillah for everything, guys. So yeah. The water's getting closer now, you know, guys. We were sitting over here. Let me just point it this. We were sitting over here, and look how close the water has gone right now, guys. It might get a bit more close towards the end, guys. So at the moment, at 3 o'clock, nearly 4 o'clock, guys, the water is actually coming closer. Which
Come in the podium.
जिसे जिंदगी ढूंढ रही है क्या ये वो मकाम मेरा है यहाँ चैन से बस रुक जाऊं क्यों दिल ये मुझे कहता है जज्बात नए से मिले हैं जाने क्या असर ये हुआ है एक आस मिली फिर मुझको जो कबूल किसी ने किया है किसी शायर की गजल जो दिलों को सुकून के पल कोई मुझको यूं मिला है जैसे बंजारे को घर
I ain't ever had no times of a good lad. All I knew was shanks, big hammers in my book bag. Look at pain in my chest, it turned a hood mad. Hood rap gun, I never had it, bro. I cooked that. You think that I've done, it weren't even that. What your friends tell you, it weren't even that. Man, what beef, then I'll season that. I go circle the block, I put teeth in wax. Everything I do, I put my all in. Make sure you're balling. Them man are stalling. Brown skin, tacky, better accents, northern. Out here, sappy, tryna lift him out his Jordans. On these mazzles on the mains, bubbly swagger with my aim. I was like trapping in the rain, inside bagging up cane, inside bagging up cane.
जैसे कोई किनारा देता हो सहारा मुझे वो मिला किसी मोड़ पर कोई रात का तारा करता हो उजाला वैसे ही रोशन करे वो शहर दिल मेरे वो भुला ही गया कुछ ऐसा सही हुआ जीना मुझे फिर से वो सिखा रहा
Hey yo, no it's going crazy.
क्या छुआ दिल ताज तेरा हुआ कैसा नशा चढ़ गया तेरी
Hey, you drill man.
हो गया तेरी नजर से क्या छुआ दिल ताज तेरा हुआ कैसा नशा चढ़ गया तेरी याद में खो गया मेरी याद पे कौन आए तू मुझे कितना भी जान समझ ले किसी और की गला मेरी याद तेरी आया ना कभी कहीं बातें चुना कहीं आसरे से लगी तो कहीं कभी मिले तो ये बस नहीं आशिक बन गई मुझे एहसास होता नहीं मुझे जब बातें क्या सुना दिला दूंगी मैं तुझको यकीन दिला दूंगी मैं तुझको यकीन दिखा दूंगी मैं प्यार मेरा तुझे ले लूं मैं बाहों में न होने दे बातें नो हौसला तूने नजर से क्या छुआ दिल ताज तेरा हुआ कैसा नशा चढ़ गया तेरी याद में खो गया तूने नजर से क्या छुआ दिल ताज तेरा हुआ कैसा नशा चढ़ गया तेरी याद में खो गया मेरी याद पे कौन आए तू मुझे कितना भी जान समझ ले किसी और की गला मेरी याद तेरी आए ना कहीं कहीं बातें चुना कहीं आसरे से लगी तो कहीं कभी मिले तो ये बस नहीं
Okay, guys, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell icons for missing any more videos. Many more vlogs on the way. Like I said, guys, inshallah, I got another vlog coming to Bournemouth Beach. Inshallah, that becomes confirmed. And a big shout out to Sab Tours, who took us to Torquay beach, guys. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. Peace.